Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy.
And I'm Gerald.
Welcome to our home.
Today we're going to do a pin unboxing and give you guys the opportunity to make some trades with us.
Alright, so let's get to opening these. Before we do though, Gerald, did you borrow Allison's hat?
Yes.
Alright. Well, do you want to pull the box lid off?
Sure.
I took the time to cut it, but we have not
I'll do
opened
the
it until
honors.
just now. So,
Oh, cool. Okay.
so these are already pre-set up on some sheets here.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's
Here,
very
Gerald can't see.
I'm sorry, Gerald. Ooh, Gerald, what do you think Allison is going to think of that pin?
I think she's gonna love it.
Yeah?
I think it says Top Dog Pin Trader. Gerald, I don't know if I like that better than Allison would. We'll see. Alright, so I was wondering, this is a piglet, a Pooh and Tigger here. Looks like it's a
Brooch.
brooch. So that's kind of cool. Lots of
Oh, this is a cool,
cool pins.
this
That's
is
a sweet
cool Grand Floridian pin. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh, this
very
is a cool Chip and Dale. That's one of that 100, part of the 100. And
Let's turn that. That makes it a little easier. Alright, so very neat. This is a puzzle set.
that's cool.
That's different. I wouldn't have put that going with it.
This is my first Donald pin. Oh, I know a special little kid who would like that.
But it won't be his first Donald
It
pin.
won't be.
Alright, so we have another set here.
Oh, those are neat brooches.
Aren't those cool brooches?
Oh my gosh, it's Piglet and it's so cute. And that says the SS Pooh. That's cute. I love it. All these stamps are super neat.
That stands for Pooh. I was gonna say P for our last name, but I saw this on online for sale. That's a super sweet Mr. Toad pin,
Oh, that is really cool.
and it was
This
pretty
is a
expensive,
cool Donald pin.
isn't it?
Yeah. Bugs Life. Cool.
That's
Disney Quest.
That's from 2000. What does it say there? 4th of July, Winnie the Pooh.
Very
It's
cool.
a super cool pin.
There's a Disney Wonder pin.
Oh, that one's so cool. Remember when we went on the Disney Wonder? That's exactly what it looks like. I think that's on the front of the ship.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Lots of Chip and Dale Hidden Mickeys. You got another one of these.
Yep. That's a real neat pin.
Yeah.
That's a very hard pin. In fact, that whole series, I'll lay it out here for you, but that whole series is very neat and very hard to find. That's a cool one. That's a Hidden Mickey also, that Figment.
That's cool.
Alright, last one.
Is that Brother Bear? Coda? Is that Brother
Coda
Bear?
is Brother Bear. It sure is.
Oh, that is a cool
Isn't that
Tigger.
neat, that Tigger? That's super neat.
Oh, look at the Marie. It's pretty. There's another Brother Bear. Brother Bear's kind of hard to collect.
Hard to find.
Here's another Splash Mountain.
What is behind him there? Behind Goofy.
Looks like a cloud.
And from here it's kind of odd looking because it's so round at the top.
This is Disney's Artist's Choice.
Yeah, that's a super neat pin.
That's cool.
I liked that one a lot.
Oh, there's a cruise line Goofy.
See, I have seen all these when I picked them out,
This
but
is cool.
Tammy and them didn't get to.
It's Tough to Be a Bug.
From A Bug's Life.
That's cool. It's Tough to Be a Bug is the show and Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Here, let me pull this one off. I want to see if this is like a limited edition or what. And it's just from 2005. It doesn't say it's a limited edition. I've never seen one like that with the Tigger behind it. Super cool pin. Gerald, now that you see all these pins in this box, which one do you think Allison would want the most, Gerald?
The Tigger about the top dog pin trader?
Oh, the top dog or the Tigger. That top dog one's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, it really
Pretty
is.
cool. And this is that same Brer Fox that we got the other day. So now we either have one to trade or if you and I wanted it, which I don't know that I want it, but I haven't decided. So these are really neat. What we're going to do with these is the same thing we've been doing with all of our pins. We're going to put them together on the screen here for you right now. Each one will have a number next to it, and you guys can decide if you want to trade for some or not. If you do, just jump over to our Facebook page at Managing Mickey, and you can take and message us. We'll tell us which ones you are interested in. We'll tell you if they're still available, and if they are, then you can offer us trades or whatever, and then we'll try and trade with you if you've got something comparable. We appreciate you guys joining us, and we hope that you find something you want to trade for. And until next time,
From our house to yours.